So we're going to start by adding the eggs in one at a time and mixing them. I'm going to crack this open, drop one egg, and then we're going to mix. You want to make sure that you mix it well. It's very important that you get all of your ingredients in and that you mix them so that they're even. Remember, this is a cake that we're baking from scratch. So it's not add water and go. So we want to make sure that we take our time. I'm going to turn up the speed now. Make sure we have a thorough mix. Okay. So we're going to add our second egg. I'm really using 2 eggs. And then we're going to mix again. Smells so good. And we have so many more ingredients to add. So I'm just going to turn the bowl a little bit, like we did when we creamed the butter and the sugar.